Welcome everybody to this mission control video. This is Andrew Darius, and this is our continuation of the OpenClaw training. So in the previous video we get to agent structure to have the master orchestrator and have a sub-agent for different tasks. And we set up that our main guy, our main orchestrator is OpenAI ChatGPT 5.2, and our coder is Codex 5.3. And now all our agents are using top open source model like Kimi K2.5, GLM5, and Minimax 2.5. So I wrote a very long master prompt which helps you start this process and make it so much easier. Below this video you find the link and you will get all this long prompt which I will just paste here. Instead of you prompting, back prompting and doing all this stuff, you will be able to just paste it, and this is your starting point. Obviously you can edit it, you can change it to your own style, but this is a great starter for you to start it to have mission control. And I would say you should not really start using OpenClaw without mission control. Why? Because if you have a big structure like orchestrator and sub-agents, it's very hard to keep track if OpenClaw is actually doing something or just not doing nothing, or if it is like going in loops or just stopped. If you have only main agent, one agent, you can have on the Telegram, maybe you can have also on Discord, but really to see what is going on, you really need to have mission control. So the first thing you do when you have your setup as a structure of a main agent and sub-agents, you do mission control. If you want to see how I set up those structure of the main agent and sub-agents, you can go watch the previous video. So let's go to it. So let's get to it. I will copy paste. So here we go. I will not read everything, but I will read some of it. So I want you to build a local mission control dashboard for yourself, OpenClaw, in Next.js, hosted on localhost with a clean linear style interface. This mission control should be a custom dashboard that helps you monitor, manage, and extend your work. It should let us add custom tools over time, and then you have those list, task boards, calendar, project, memories, docs, team, and so on. I will leave this link below, so you can get the entire prompt below, and then you will see how it works. So guys, I will just start it and I will stop this video and show you after the first question from OpenClaw to me. So the very first version done by OpenClaw is done. We don't know yet if it's even working, but this first step. So let's see. Run and verify. It's asking me to run and verify. I then ask it, can you run it? And then it said it cannot do it because of the permissions. It gave me option on what to do. I went to ChatGPT and simply copy paste like before, and now the agent can execute commands. So simply I will tell it where to do it. Now you can execute commands. And we see what happened, if this is even working. This is first draft. As you see, asking me about the command, which you can approve, because I ask Codex to allow it to execute command, but only with my approval. And some commands can be approved and some not. This one is I can always approve. This is a listing on the listing of the directory. So some commands you want to allow once, and some you want to approve like forever, and some maybe you don't want to approve depending what it is, right? So now start the mission control, and we will see if it works. I will allow once for the skill. For skill, I prefer to approve it every time because you want to control when it's approved. When it's changing to the skill MD, which doesn't happen that often. So this kind of approval, I think it is not very time consuming. So for the skills approvals, I will keep it as is. I will say, I already approve it. Do you not see it? So it looks like it is working, and we'll see if it brings something. I will stop recording and report back after. And just like that, our first version of mission control is done. Let's see if it's even working. So let me click on this. So let's see what we have. We have tasks, define dashboard, build task board, MVP, set up token designs, draft onboarding docs. Very good. Calendar. So this calendar, what is going on. Every 15 minutes, inbox triage, calendar sync, and so on. Let's see projects. We have mission control MVP, which is working on OpenClaw agent ops, which we did before. Affiliate content pipeline blocked for now, and design system token done. Memories, which is not done yet, it is tab, meaning it is not done yet. It needs to do it. Docs is tab, not done. Tip not done, office not done. So let's see what we have here. And tell me to continue, and I will proceed in your build order to the memory screen. So what was missing are still there, but the OpenClaw does recognize it. So let's do it. I will do continue, and I will come back after it is done. So memories are done. Let me see how it looks. And now we do have memories. You really want to have memories. It's very important because you can review what you were doing, right? Review conversations, and as they grow, it is important to keep a track. And sometimes you can refer to them and ask agent to refer to previous task, so you don't have to start anything from scratch. So let's see how it is going here. So what is next? Let's see. Daily tabs, long tail tab. Next in build a doc screen searchable, but per your sequence we should step 6 after you finish step 5 validation. Tell me, do you want memories to stay seed only per plan or add load from cloud? Because those are right now seed, meaning there's kind of like a test ones. We don't want that. We want to add the real ones. Automatic. So simply we are adding now more to memories, so they will be loaded from our files which OpenClaw makes on autopilot. So the changes to memories are done, should be live. Let me see how it works. So far I don't see much to do here. Let me refresh it. But we'll see, right? We'll see how it grows. Looks like it may be good, right? So seed OpenClaw files, no daily files yet. So seed are simply the testing data, not the real one. So I will ask it to make this default. Let me close this one and see which one is default. So default is seed, should be OpenClaw feed. So I will change it. Change the default to OpenClaw files. Also tell me if you as orchestrator delegate coding to coder. Because I'm not sure, it kind of was wrong. So maybe the main orchestrator is also coding, not giving this task to coder, and now we will learn how it is, and also making that change. And I just schedule a command. So for those who don't know, in OpenClaw you can schedule the next command, and this is my explanation to this one. So let's say I will stop it now, and that way it sent that command, so it explained it what I mean, because I don't want it to go through coder just to execute commands, but I do want it to use coder for coding, because the orchestrator is pretty slow. I mean, ChatGPT 5.2 is great, but it's not a fast model. The coding model, the codex is a bit faster, and also it's for coding, right? So I want it to make sure that the codex is coding, and the main orchestrator, which is ChatGPT 5.2, is just for that. So our build is progressing, and now we see this. What is next? Next in build order: team screen, office screen. I will say continue with building team screen. And just like that, we are continuing this work. And after some time, it's done. This is our mission control. We have tasks, we have backlogs in progress, everything is done. Here are things which are done. And here is activity feed, so we can see what is going on. We have calendar here, what is going on. Right now we don't have much here, but it is working, I checked it. We have project, which was our Fiat pipeline, agent operation, and mission control MVP, which is what we have right now. Those are memories. So it's memory from yesterday, because this is a new one, it's a new day. So you can see the memory from yesterday, not much there, but it is there. DAX, teams, and this is actually fun. You see how many agents we have now. During the prompting, like go on, what agent you want to have, simply back prompting what else should be added. We have all those agents done. This is our team of our agents working under the orchestrator. So this is our team members. And we have Office. Fun thing is that we not only have Office, just information, how many tasks, failed jobs, API routes, quick actions, but actually we have a visual presentation of our agent. Right now, all are here in water cooler, right? It means they do nothing. They simply sit there, do nothing. Those are names of agent. You have dots, right? So you have agents, and every dot represents the agent, I mean square. And when they work, they have tasks, they moved here, and those are task boards. So tasks which we have queued. So this is task board. Those are tasks which they will be doing in the future, and tasks they're doing right now will be desks. So simply here is visual representation of the Office. It is the version 1, obviously. This is MVP, version 0.01 really. But this is how easy it is to make the mission control, the first version, using the prompt. So you have this prompt below, either a link or I will copy paste entire prompt below, so you can use it and you can build your own mission control. Enjoy, have fun, and we'll see you on next videos.